If you're facing pending transfers on your Capital One account, it's important to address them promptly to ensure your transactions are processed smoothly. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account activity. Log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Review your recent transactions to identify any pending transfers and confirm their details. Step 2. Verify transfer details. Ensure that the transfer amount, recipient information, and any other relevant details are correct. Mistakes in these areas can cause delays or issues with processing. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you notice discrepancies or if the transfer remains pending for an extended period, reach out to Capital One's customer support. Use the contact number provided on their website or in the app for assistance. Step 4. Review transfer limits and policies. Familiarize yourself with Capital One's transfer limits and policies. Sometimes transfers may be delayed due to exceeding daily limits or other restrictions. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your account for updates. Pending transfers should clear within a few business days, but if they do not, follow up with customer support again. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve any pending transfers on your Capital One account. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.